Hey everybody, it's JP the Dog Guy.
And I'm Josh from Butler Kia.
Welcome to Tips and Tricks. Hey everybody, it's JP the Dog Guy with my buddy Polo and Josh Easton from Butler Kia. This week we're going to have some tips and tricks on how to travel with an anxious dog. First of all, how can you tell when your dog is anxious? Here's a few things to look for. Do you find that your dog, 1, pants and paces, 2, digs in the yard, 3, destroys furniture in your house, 4, doesn't eat, 5, goes to the bathroom more often, or 6, has a general inability to settle down? These are just 6 signs that suggest your dog may have an anxious temperament. So how do we help them when you travel? It starts before you even get in the car. Remember these few things. 1, dogs are sensitive. They know when you start packing up and moving around quickly. 2, consider putting them in their crate or a room they're familiar with while you pack. Turn on the TV and give them a rewarding treat or bone while you're packing your car. Now let's bring Josh in and talk about why this vehicle will be great for an anxious dog like Polo. What's up, Josh?
JP.
What's going on, bro?
How you doing?
Good.
Hey, Polo.
Hey, what kind of SUV is this and why would it be good for an anxious dog like Polo?
So this is the 2020 Kia Sportage SUV, and it's the perfect traveling vehicle for Polo. The reason is, it's big enough to move around a bit, yet you can still make a cozy little corner for his bed, blankets, toys, and you've got plenty of room for your luggage and anything else you may need. And don't forget, with the factory roof rails, there's enough space to add your favorite attachment to carry your kayaks, tents, bikes, and other gear.
Yeah, this is a great vehicle, and the environment certainly makes a difference, especially when traveling with a dog that has anxiety. And a few other suggestions might be just taking your time and getting your dog used to the car before you go on your trip. You could try bringing things that they're familiar with, like phones or blankets, just to kind of give them a sense of comfort. And if they're really anxious, there's things out in the market today like chill pills. I don't think they really call them that. You're going to want to check with your vet, but there's things out there that they can take before you go on your trip that will calm them down. And another thing to consider, if your dog has a tendency to get car sick, you might want to consider lighter meals before the trip. And don't be afraid to make lots of stops, and definitely exercise your dog before and during your trip as much as you can. Ready, buddy? Let's go. Let's go.
Awesome, those are some great tips, JP. Sounds like you just need to do a little bit of planning and thinking ahead when traveling with your anxious pup.
Absolutely. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. We hope that this helps you on your next trip with your Polo. This is JP the Dog Guy and I'm out. Remember to watch JP the Dog Guy each week on KTVL News Channel 10 between 6 and 7 a.m. and always on themailtribune.com. Brought to you by Butler Kia, where there's a different breed of caring.